Portable heaters claiming instant warmth and energy savings are popping up everywhere, and CozyJet is one of the latest. But is it a real heater worth your money or just another overhyped gadget? Let's break it down. So CozyJet is marketed as a smart plug-in portable heater that uses PTC ceramic heating technology to deliver quick, energy-efficient warmth in small rooms. Some ads even claim ultra-fast warmth at low energy costs. Though the wording changes a lot between ads and retailer sites, here's where the idea lines up with real portable heaters. Ceramic PTC heaters do heat up quickly and steadily for small areas, perfect for desks, bedrooms, or offices. Classic models use similar tech. Some products with similar designs include safety features like automatic shutoff and overheat protection, which is standard for compact heaters. Many real portable heaters include these features, but there are serious concerns. The official CozyJet.com website gets very low trust scores from scam risk checkers, indicating hidden ownership, new domain, and limited traffic, all signs that you can't fully verify the seller's credibility. Many viral ads for heaters like this are the same stylistic tactics used for low-quality dropship products that underperform. Similar heater scams from the past often exaggerate heating speed and energy savings. Without independent verified reviews from trusted platforms or confirmed user experiences, it's tough to know whether CozyJet performs as claimed or just heats a small area modestly like any basic plug-in heater. So it's the CozyJetHeater.com legit or fake? It's mixed. The heating technology itself is real. PTC ceramic heaters work fine for small spaces, but the CozyJet brand and sales site are unproven and low trust, with marketing that mirrors past heater scams. If you want reliable warmth, you might be better off buying from established portable heaters with verified reviews instead of a brand with no real credibility. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.